any medical space into a savvy digital workstation with CTA Digital's heavy-duty mobile floor stand. This ADA-compliant, durable rolling floor stand comes complete with a universal locking holder. It safely secures even thick device cases, making this the perfect stand for in-hospital telehealth visits. The wide, flexible gooseneck adjusts to nearly any angle and gives plenty of space to safely route cables. A telescoping height adjustment pole allows use while standing or sitting. The slide-open tablet holder tilts from side to side and rotates 360 degrees to accommodate either portrait or landscape orientation. At the base of this stand, you'll find 5 heavy-duty, smoothly rolling wheels. Reliable locking casters will stay in place until you're ready to move again. Need a customized stand? CTA Digital's add-ons include sanitizer dispensers, security box dispensers, baskets, brochure holders, locking boxes, adjustable keyboard stands, and more. Exceptional mobility, adjustability, and a crisp antimicrobial white coating make this mobile floor stand an excellent addition to any medical facility, doctor's office, or hospital.